Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the Vegan Demon YouTube channel. My name is Tim, and today we are going to talk all about soy. The benefits of soy, the controversies around soy, the myths about soy. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, let's talk about the positives of soy. Soy and all of the soy products are packed with protein. And not only do they have high protein content, they are a complete protein, which means they have all 9 essential amino acids. Soy has been proven to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, coronary heart disease, as well as stroke, and has also been shown to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, as well as some cancers such as breast cancer and prostate cancer, which I will get more into in a little bit. Soy is also a very good source of calcium and iron, and it is also a very versatile food that can be used in many different recipes. Some examples of common foods that contain soy are soybeans, edamame, tofu, tempeh, miso, soy sauce. These types of foods are very common that I like to eat as well, but they are derived from the soybean. And it goes without saying that there is no cholesterol in all soy products because there is 0 dietary cholesterol in all plant foods anyway. So soy does not contain any cholesterol and has actually been shown to reduce cholesterol because of this. So now let's get into some of the myths associated with soy. The first one being that soy increases the amount of estrogen in your body. So this is a common misconception because soy, as well as other plant foods, contain phytoestrogens, which is structurally similar to the female sex hormone estrogen. However, phytoestrogens have a very different impact in the human body. Phytoestrogens contain isoflavones, which have been shown to block estrogen from receptors in the body. So the phytoestrogens do not have the same impact on the body as estrogen does. Again, this is one of the most common misconceptions and myths about soy because the names are so similar. So again, please remember that there is no impact to the sex hormones when you are eating soy and other plant foods that contain phytoestrogens. And in addition to this myth that soy increases your estrogen in the body, there is a myth that soy produces man boobs on males as well. So obviously this is not true because I eat soy all the time and I do not have man boobs. So like I explained earlier, again, this does not have any impact on the sex hormones within your body. In fact, I recently had my blood work done to show the results of my testosterone in my body, and I'll put up the results on the screen right now. And again, I eat soy pretty much every single day, multiple times a day, because it is a high source of protein and it's very versatile like I explained earlier. But as you can see by my results, I am actually at the high range of the range of recommended testosterone levels. So the next myth regarding soy is that it increases your risk of cancer, specifically breast cancer in women. So actually, over the past 20 years, there has been extensive research about soy and its effects of cancer, and it has been shown that it actually reduces cancer, specifically breast cancer in women, as opposed to the myths that it actually increases your cancer risk. I will provide a few links below about some studies that have been done on this topic if you're interested in the science behind it. But even besides the science, if you look at history in general and Asian culture specifically, they consume high amounts of soy daily, and they actually have some of the lowest cancer rates in the world, specifically breast cancer in women. Another concern related to soy is that the soybeans may be genetically modified. However, there are many soy products and tofu packaging that now includes on the label that there are non-GMOs in the production of the soy products. So be sure to buy soy products that contain that label indicating that there are no GMOs. Additionally, you want to look for soy products that are organic because it is a crop that uses a high amount of pesticides and herbicides normally if you do not buy the organic version. So in order to preserve the nutrients and to reduce your consumption of those pesticides, it is advised to buy organic whenever possible. Next, I want to just touch briefly on soy products and the environment. Although my primary focus for eating a plant-based diet is for my health, of course there are environment benefits as well. The actual production of the soy crop consumes an extremely large amount of land. However, 99% of the soy production crops are used for animal agriculture and feeding those animals. So only 1% or less is actually consumed by humans. So for those that are concerned about the environment, humans eating soy does not have nearly the impact that soy production does for animal agriculture. Lastly, I just want to highlight that soy foods are extremely cheap. So I've mentioned this before, but tofu, tempeh, edamame, soy sauce, miso, all of these foods are very cheap and a high protein substitute for your typical beef, chicken, eggs, and etc. So that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully some of my explanations clarified some of the myths surrounding soy. You should not be scared to eat soy at all because it is actually very beneficial for your health, cheap, and a good alternative to animal food. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I would really appreciate it if you could throw the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel out a lot. And I will see you in the next Vegan Demon video.